Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add thinly sliced mushrooms and garlic, then season with a little salt and pepper. Add butter to the skillet and stir it around in the mushrooms until it is melted. Sprinkle flour over the mixture and stir to coat the mushrooms and blend with the butter. Whisk in vegetable broth, then whisk in the milk, and again bring the sauce to a simmer. Add cream cheese and whisk slowly until it has been completely incorporated into the sauce. Combine the frozen green beans and sauce into a large bowl. Transfer the tasty ingredients into a medium-sized casserole dish and top with French fried onions. The creamiest green bean casserole you've ever made is hot and ready to be eaten with abandon.